Hi, welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I'm bringing you another vegan tutorial. It is super easy, and actually I'm going to be featuring Kite Hill's ravioli again, but I'm going to put a spin on it. So if you're interested in this video, please stay tuned. But before we hop into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all the amazing videos I have coming your way. Let's hop into it. Alright, so here's what you'll need for this recipe. You'll need some vegan milk, vegan Parmesan cheese, some flour, some breadcrumbs, some garlic powder, Italian seasoning, cornstarch, some just egg, and of course the ravioli of your choice. Today I'm going to feature Kite Hill. So we're going to get the breadcrumb mixture together. So to the breadcrumb mixture, I'm just going to add the breadcrumbs, the Italian seasoning, and some garlic powder. And to that, I'm also going to add the vegan Parmesan shreds. Now, these were a bit big, so you could put them either in like a chopper, food processor, or whatnot to get them down, or you can use a spoon like I'm doing. It takes a little longer and a little bit more work. But if you want them to be a little bit more smaller, so it's easier to stick to your ravioli, then you definitely want to break those up a little bit more. Next, we're going to get our flour together. So to a different bowl, you're going to add the flour, and that's it. And then our last bowl, we're going to add in the vegan milk with some cornstarch, and we're just going to whisk that together till the cornstarch has dissolved into your milk mixture. And then we're just going to coat our ravioli. I'm going to start off with my spinach ravioli by Kite Hill. So first attempt, I just put it in the flour first and then into the milk mixture, and then it'll go into the breadcrumbs. Now, with this way, I thought it was fine, but then I was like, you know what, maybe it will be better to wet the ravioli first in the milk mixture, then in the flour, then back in the milk, and then into the breadcrumbs. So you'll see in a second the difference. So like I said, this one we do the milk mixture, then into the flour, back into your milk mixture, and then into your breadcrumbs for the final coating. And to me, this one coats it better, more, and it sticks well. So I decided to move forward with doing milk, flour, milk, and then breadcrumbs. Once you've battered all of your ravioli, go ahead and get that oil nice and hot, and we're just going to drop in like a couple of raviolis, no more than like 3 to 4 if you're using like a medium-sized pot like I am here, and cook them until they are floating to the top, golden brown on both sides. Don't overcook them because you don't want your pasta to be too tough. And sometimes the part where the filling is will bubble up, just as a heads up. So to prevent that from happening, put that bubble side, the part that lifts up more, put it face down in the oil first, so that side cooks first. So now let's move on to our marinara. We need some better than bouillon or some sort of vegetable bouillon. You need some pepper, onion powder, Italian seasoning, and onion, some fresh basil preferred. If you don't have that, you can use frozen, some garlic, mixed garlic, seasoning salt, garlic powder, and some crushed tomatoes. So to my pot, I'm just going to add a little bit of oil. The garlic and the onions, and we're just going to cook that until it's fragrant. And then we're going to add in our crushed tomatoes. And then we're just going to season our sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, the basil, seasoning salt, and we're also going to add in the better than bouillon or whatever vegetable, either vegetable broth, vegetable stock, vegetable bouillon, any of that will work. Now, if you want more of like a cheesier flavor in your marinara, you can always add some nutritional yeast or even the vegan parmesan into your sauce. So just go ahead and cook that with a lid over it for about 5 minutes. So now let's go ahead and plate this up. So we got our fried ravioli down. We're going to bring in our tomato marinara sauce. We're going to add a little bit of the vegan parmesan to it. And you know, we got to top it off with some fresh parsley just for the looks, not necessarily for the taste. But don't that look good? But wait for it. I know y'all want to see what it look like inside. So I'm going to give y'all that. Give me 1 second. All right, here we go. So this is what it looks like inside. It's so good, y'all. Like, if you are not a ravioli person, I guarantee after you have fried ravioli, you be like, I might not eat ravioli the regular way, but I can for sure get down with the fried ravioli. All right, so let me know what you guys think of this recipe. Oh my gosh, it is so simple and easy to do, and it's like a perfect during the week home cooked meal, well, semi home cooked meal. And yes, packed with flavor, and it's so simple to do. Like, I can't get over that part, and it's delicious. Like, it's amazing. It tastes so good. So I was inspired to try this recipe out because I had some fried lasagna rolls when I was non-vegan, and I've been craving those lately. And instead of doing all the work of, you know, getting your lasagna noodles cooked or al dente, of course, making your sauce and your, you know, cashew ricotta cheese and all these different things and steps, I was like, you know what, let me see if you know, this Kite Hill ravioli, if I just batter it and fry it, if that is like satisfy this fried lasagna roll craving. And baby, it did. So let me know what you guys think of this recipe down in the comment section down below. If you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed so that you don't miss out on all the amazing videos. Thanks for watching.